super rich keep getting richer. That's part of the findings from a new report on inequality. According to Oxfam, the world's 10 richest people now own around $1.5 trillion.
The pandemic has been a billionaire bonanza because the 10 richest men have doubled their income in the last 2 years. So that accumulation at the top is in contrast with the majority, the 99% of humanity, being worse off as a result of the pandemic.
The charity says the world's 10 richest people have boosted their fortunes by $15,000 a second or $1.3 billion a day during the pandemic. At the same time, global inequality is contributing to the death of one person every 4 seconds. Oxfam says more than 160 million people have been plunged into poverty since the start of the pandemic. To counter this growing inequality, the charity is urging governments to impose a temporary wealth tax of up to 99% to fund vaccines for the poor, universal health care, and social protections.
Many of the goals that we had in terms of poverty reduction or gender parity have been set back as a result of the pandemic, which is why it requires strong intervention, and it's really a question of choice because this extreme inequality is not inevitable and it is possible to address.
Oxfam is also warning that the pandemic has set back gender equality. In 2020, women lost $800 billion in earnings, and there are 13 million fewer women working now than in 2019.